Right, so this is the lever holder that we got from Kempton. It's a Kempton special, right? And the plan is, we're going to take this and we're going to put it on our, there you go, got rid of that, on our throttle, that is. And we're going to cut a little bit down there to allow for the grip with the hole to pull the cable through. And we're going to thread that hole, and then we're going to put a thread, kind of a wire holder, in fact this bit, on there, and just have that open, and hopefully we can make our own throttle body. Yeah, I've just farted and Liam's just noticed.
Still smell, you dirty fucker.
YouTube viewers, he's being horrible to me.
Yeah, because he keeps fucking farting and stinking the place out.
It was
fucking
evil.
rancid.
Right, so we're tapping the thread. Lovely job.
Need to get a better hold of this shit.
All I've done is just taken a tiny little cut with the Dremel down there, and then I'm going to cut across the top to take off the little bit of metal I've allowed for the throttle body.
I don't mind
Yeah,
videos,
right.
mate, to be fair. On it.
Okay. Beautiful. Alright, so that should allow for the throttle to sit there. Right, where's the handlebar? Hopefully. Moment of truth. I need to take a bit more off of that. You can see what I'm trying to achieve there. We're pretty close to that hole.
Sweet.
But it will work. So, in a moment of genius, Liam has pointed out
I want to say genius.
that we don't actually need that to be that thick.
Bodgy.
So,
This is not genius, this is bodgy.
so what we're going to do is, instead of taking out the metal, which we just showed you on the previous clip, we're going to set the grinder up, give that a bit of grindage, see if we can get that to reduce.
The rest of the file, isn't it?
Come on, focus.
Dremel.
You need a Dremel on that, mate.
Dremel on that, mate.
This is out of focus. Come on, bloody focus. There we go.
All the Dremelage. Like that. Wait, one plug is enough. Try that.
Come on, you fucking stupid thing. There we go.
Orange.
Alright, so this is our test handlebar, otherwise known as the anal intruder. Fucking lovely, look at that. Beautiful. Right. Alright. So in theory, we've cut a little slot in there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. But that will allow the cable to go in, which in turn allows me to get the that thing, yeah, get my nipples through the hole.
Get my nipple through the hole, innit?
Alright. Make sure it's on the right way. Just gonna knock up. All like that. All like that. Lovely job. So, that little thread goes in there. That can go in after. Put that down there. That in there like that, which then threads into there. It's going very well.
Too well.
Scarily.
All the way up.
There we go. Ah, there we go. So, that's now on there. Test purposes. Look at that, lads. We got a throttle.
Yeah.
Sort of. That's what we know. Now that is better than anything you can buy on bloody Amazon or eBay. With just a bit of chopperage and a bit of. There you go, and job done. Right, so we just cut the extra bit off. We put the adjuster in there, tighten this up, put the grip on, let's go for the twist. Here we go. Lovely. No eBay specials on here. Home built at Lockup Restorations. Through there. Get the wiring sorted.
Oh, well, this can come off, can't it?
Routed properly.
Thinking about it. Dick. I'm going through that.
Enough space. Yes. Yo.
Yo. 100 real quick.
Real quick. What a fucking cunt. No.
You're in 100 real quick, man.
Yeah, 1 + 2 = fucking 3. Quick maths, isn't it?
Quick man.
Shit, man. There you go. Pay attention on film. So we'll need some kind of bar in to hold that throttle on, but it's a lot better than anything I've seen. I think this bloke's ready to blow.
What gave you that impression?
Come on, mate. Yeah. Well, it'll take a couple of months, but we'll see how MAT worthy that is.
Let's move that now, yes, that's rubbing like you said on that, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Right. Let's see, Mr. MOT tester, will you let us have that? Can't see any
Cheers, Daz! Get a throttle body, boy.